Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet in a rice cooker. First, gather your essential ingredients, such as 2 or 3 large eggs, a splash of milk, and any desired fillings like cheese or vegetables. Next, lightly grease the inner pot of your rice cooker with a little butter or cooking spray. This crucial step ensures your delicious omelet won't stick, making for easy removal later on. Whisk the eggs and milk together until well combined. Now it is time to incorporate your favorite fillings into the whisked egg mixture. Gently fold in ingredients like shredded cheese, finely diced bell peppers, or cooked ham. Once everything is mixed, carefully pour the entire egg mixture into the lightly greased rice cooker pot. Close the lid and set your rice cooker to the cook or warm setting. Allow it to cook for approximately 15 minutes, letting the heat work its magic. After about 15 minutes, gently open the lid and observe your omelet. The edges should appear set and firm, indicating it is cooking nicely. If you prefer a golden brown finish on both sides, carefully use a spatula to flip the omelet. Close the lid again and allow it to cook for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures the omelet is thoroughly cooked through and perfectly fluffy. Once your omelet is fully cooked and beautifully set, it is time to enjoy your creation. Carefully remove the omelet from the rice cooker pot using a spatula. It should slide out easily thanks to the greased pot. Serve your delicious, fluffy omelet immediately with your favorite toppings, perhaps some fresh herbs or a dollop of sour cream. This method offers a wonderfully simple way to make a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.